The Congress, in Rajasthan, has decided to take the fight against Governor Kalraj Mishra to the streets. The party will be protesting against the governor's decision to not agree to the demand made by the Ashok Gehlot camp for calling an assembly session. The Rajasthan Congress has decided to protest in all the districts of the state on Saturday. Congress workers have been asked to hand over memorandums to the district collectors for the Rajasthan governor. All Congress workers are requested to follow the guidelines issued by the state government regarding corona are followed during the protest tomorrow, July 25. All people are to protest at the DCC office and no more than 50 people are to gather. 5 people will go to the collectorate and hand over a memorandum to the collector for the governor, Govind Singh Dotasara, the Pradesh Congress Committee, PCC, chief, said in a tweet on Friday night. On Friday, Congress MLAs belonging to the Gehlot group sat on a dharna inside the Governor House demanding the Rajasthan Assembly session be called. The move came after Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot alleged that the governor, despite the state government's demand for calling an assembly session, has not allowed so. Gehlot accused the governor of acting under pressure from above, implying that the centre had prohibited the Rajasthan governor, Kalraj Mishra, from agreeing to the state government's request to call for an assembly session. Speaking to India Today, Rajasthan leader of opposition and former Home Minister Gulab Chand Kataria said, given the threat by Rajasthan Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot to Gherav Raj Bhavan and the scenes witnessed at the Governor House, we demand deployment of the CRPF. Rajasthan CM Ashok Gehlot on Thursday had claimed that the assembly session will be called very soon. Sources told India Today that members of the Gehlot camp want an assembly session to be called soon in a bid to tide over the present political crisis in the state, and an assembly session can be called in the next week itself. The Rajasthan government led by Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot feels that if a short assembly session is called for, then they can go in for a show of strength at the assembly where the rebel MLAs from Sachin Pilot group can be pressurized to participate. If a whip is issued by the chief whip, then in case of the rebel MLAs do not abide, then that can be a ground for their disqualification. The Gehlot camp also feels that if the rebel MLAs return to Jaipur for a short assembly session, then at least some of them can be persuaded to be a part of the Gehlot camp.